Okay, so for today tutorial we will cover the retrieval evaluation. So we will do some exercise on how to find or compute the precision and also recall. So we also will look into how do we compute the mean average precision for multiple queries. Okay. So in this tutorial, you are given 20 document. Okay. So 20 document returned to you for query that uh, for query Q1, Q2, and Q3. Okay. So if you look at the table here, so we have 20 document returned to you in this order, and then the X here referring to relevant document which are retrieved based on individual query that we have here. So we have three query here. Okay. So what you need to do is you need to be able to compute the precision and the recall for individual item here, and then compute the map mean average precision for all these three. Okay, so when we refer to map here, we are referring to the average map that we have for all these three queries, because we are using a single retrieval system. So we test them using three queries. Okay. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to be able to compute the recall and precision. Okay. Are you able to access the question here in the Smart Version 3? Okay. Let me read your SMS. Okay. So first we need to be able to compute the recall and precision for each of the um, position that we have. So for example, we are we are we need to find the recall for this recall for query one. Okay, so this one is recall for query one, and then this one is the precision for query one. Okay, so depending on your position here, you should be able to compute them. And another hint that they are looking at here is that in the set of all documents, there are exactly 10 documents which are identified as relevant document with respect to each query Q1, Q2, and Q3. So meaning that for each query that you have exactly 10 relevant documents that are put in the set of documents. Okay. So for example here, um, for the first query, we have 3, 3, 4. So that means all 10 documents are retrieved. Okay. And this one we have 3, 3, 2. So only 8 of 10 are retrieved. And then this one is 4 out of 10 retrieved using query number 3. Okay. So you need to fill in the value here. What is the recall, the precision here? Okay. So I let you to count that one. So we need to do this one as well. So let's copy this one. So this is 2, this is 3. So we'll be using different color lah. Okay. So who wants to, can you assist me what is the value for here, the recall for this? So this is 1 over 10. Okay. And this one? So recall is just give you the fraction number of document which are relevant returned to you. So since we are saying that we have 10 each of the query, so for this one, this is 1 over 10 lah. Okay. So maybe we can make the font smaller. It's okay. So this one, what is the recall for this? Or maybe, yeah, 2 over 10. Okay. Let's change this one. Okay. So let's change the font here. So what is the recall here? Blank one. So this one is still 2 over 10 lah. Okay. What about this one? So this is 3 over 10. What about the value for this and this? Two over 10. Okay. Okay, what about this one? So I guess everybody will be able to catch up this one. So this is 3 over 10, and then this is 4 over 10. This is 5 over 10. This is 6 over 10. This is 7 over 10, 8 over 10, and 9 over 10, 10 over 10. Because we are mentioned just now, we have 10 relevant documents for each of the query. Okay, so for this one, what is the value for this? So this one will follow this one. Okay, and this one will follow this. This one will follow this, and we have this one. Okay, so if you change this everything to be ini, so this is 0.1, 0.2, and so on. Okay. So what is the precision for here? What is the precision here? One over one. So we make it one lah. Okay. And here, what is the precision here? From two document, we retrieve two. Okay. So one also. And here, so 2 over 3. So which is 0.67 lah. And this one, what about this one? What is the precision here? 0.5. Okay. So for those who are wondering how to get the value for this one, so you should be following closely on how to compute this. Okay, what is the precision here? So we retrieve 5, but only 2 relevant. So this is 40%. Okay, and here, what is the precision that we have here?
0.5.
0.15. How do you get 0.5?
3/6.
3/6. Okay, so this one, now you need calculator. 0.43. Okay, so everybody, you help your friend by putting the answer. So if everybody giving the same answer, then faster, and also we can double check lah. So what is this? This is 0.5. This one, 4/9. What is 4/9? Sure. Okay. This one is 0.5. What about this one? This is 5/11. 5/11. What is 5/11? Okay. Okay. Since we have a variety of answer here, so this is okay. Okay. So what is this? This is 0.5, and this one, 6/13. 6/13. 0.46. So this is 0.5, and this one. So this is 8/15. What is 8/15? Okay, 0.53. Okay, this one is 9/16. 0.56. Okay, this one is 10/17. 0.59. Okay, this one is 10/18. 10/19. Okay, so which one? 5.2 or 5.3? Yeah, 5.3. Okay. So we have all this, and then we repeat for query number 2. So this is 0.1. This is 0.2. So this one has 0 lah. And this is 0.3, 0.3, 0.4. Okay. So we keep calculating this one. So by now you should be able to differentiate between recall and precision. Okay, so this is 0.7 up to here. So this is 0.8, and copy this one here. Okay. So what is the precision here? So 0, 0. And this one? What is the precision here? 0. 7. This is 0.5. This is what? 3, 3 over 5, 60%. This one is 50%. Okay, and this one is 4 over 7. What is 4 over 7? Okay, 4 over 8, 0.5, 5 over 9,
Oh, sir. Yang kat precision yang query 2 tu, yang first X yang dekat number 3 tu, kenapa 0.67? Kenapa bukan 0.33?
oh, it's supposed to be 3, 3. Yeah. Thank you. 1, 1 over 3, kan? 1/3.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is 2 over 4. This is 3 over 5. Okay, so that's good. You correct that one. Okay. So this one, 5 over 9, 0.656. And this is 5 over 10, 0.5. And this one is 6 over 11. What is 6 over 11? 0.55. Okay. And this is 0.5. Then we have 7 over 13. 7 over 18, 0.54. Then, so this one, 7 over 14, 7 over 15, 7 over 16. So the more non-relevant document we have, your precision will be lower. So what is this? This is 7 over 14. You have 5. This one, 7 over 15. 0.47. Then here, 0.44. Then 0.41. Then this one is 8 over 18. 0.44. And this one, 8 over 19. 0.42. And lastly, 8 over 20. 40%. Okay. Okay, so briefly we run through this one. So this is 0.0. This is 0.0. This is 0.1. 0.1. Then we will copy this here. This is 0.2. We will copy this one all the way here. This is 0.3. This is 0.4. Okay. So the position here is 0.0, 0.3. Okay, so this is 0.2, 25. So this is 0.20. Okay. So this one is what? 2 over 6. 2 over 6, 1/3, 0.33. Okay. So what is this? 2, 2 over 7. 2 over 7. 2 over 8. Okay. 2 over 9. 2 over 11. 2 over 12. 2 over 13. what is 2 over 13? Okay. 2 over 14, 15, 16, 17. What is this? 2 over 14, which is 1 over 7. Then next one, 2 over 15. Sure. 2 over 16. 1 over 8. Sama juga. 1 over 8 is 0.13. Okay lah. Okay. 2 over 17. And 2 over 18. Okay, 0.12 and 0. What is 2 over 18? 11. What is 3 over 19? 3 over 19. Okay. And 4 over 90. 4 over 20. Okay. So we're done with that one. So the question asks, we need to compute the map for all 3 queries. So basically this one, we are talking about the individual value for all 3 query. But if we compute the map for query 1, okay. So we need to highlight this one. We need to highlight the one that the X ni, because we have 10 of them, kan? So this one is this one. Okay. So the map for query 1 will compute the precision only. So we will have 1 plus 1 plus 0.5. So we are taking only the one that yang ada X tu, 0.5. So dia ada 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 of this. Okay. And the next one is 5, 3. 5, 0.3 plus 0.56 plus 0.59. So altogether, we will divide by 10. So what is the value for this? Yeah. So we have this value. So you double check. So the value for this is this. Okay. So similar to the map query 2. So map query 2. So di sini kita ada berapa value? So kita ada this 3 plus this plus this. So we should be adding 8 of them. Okay. So those value are 0.33 plus 0.5 plus 0.6 plus. So we are taking the precision value only. Okay. So 0.57 plus 0.56 plus 0.54 plus 0.44. So we should be having 8 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we divide by 10. Okay. We divide by 10 not, because we have 10 relevant document of this query 2. Okay. So what is the answer for this? We have 0.409. Okay. And then we repeat for this, the query number 3. So query number 3, we focus on this only. So notice that for we just look at the precision only. So 0.33 plus 0.33 plus 0.16 plus 2. Okay, so your value will be 10102. Okay, so 102. So when we say we want to find for this system evaluation, so basically we take all this because this query Q1, Q2, Q3 we test on a single retrieval system. Okay, so we must take the average. So this one 0.409 plus 0.12 divided by 3. Okay, so all thing will be divided by 3. So we have this. Let's take 2 decimal places. So 0.38. So the answer here is 0.38. Okay. So if you want to make it 3 decimal places, it's 3.76. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, so the skill required for this lesson is that you should be able to compute the recall and also precision. And another thing is for your assignment, you need to plot this one. Okay, but for the tutorial, those who have finished this one, so you can submit in the smart version 3 lah. Okay, and your assignment for this one will be due on this Friday. Okay, any question? No question.
No.
Semua paham ah?
So far, okay, doctor.
No problem ah? But I think you will have problem in plotting them. So that one will be your assignment. Okay. So finding the recall and also finding the precision is easy. But when it comes to plotting them and try to visualize them, you will have problem because you have to look at the value of the recall because the one that we did just now, we just take the precision. Okay, but when it comes to plotting the graph, where we have the x value will be the recall and your y value will be your position, then you must be able to determine what is the value for your x for your recall. Okay, because if you look at let me share this one again. If you look at the table that we have here, okay, the graph that we should have for the recall, you should have like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, all those. The scale is 10, 20, 30, 40, up to 100 recall. But the one that we have here, for the first one is easy because they are all in 10th percent. But over here, um, and over here, okay. So you need to be able to compute this one. Try to plot them. Okay. Any question? I will give you another set of this, but I will give you a little bit hard luck to compute. Okay. So for the tutorial, that's it for today. Wait for your assignment number 3 due next Friday. Not this Friday, next week Friday.